Welcome to Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. This is Jim Deadman, and I've just got today's video together for you. So I hope you enjoy what we're doing here in the shop. So pull your chair up virtually beside the computer, your television, whatever you watch these videos on. Sit back and enjoy the video. Good morning. I've got a little simple project. It's going to be a short video today. As you know, I've used a mixture of cameras, GoPro and the other. So this is my little mount here that's going to be used. I machine it. I'll show you how I use it, and it fastens onto the GoPro handle just like this. So this is going to be the completed unit, and I'll show you that. So that's today's video. Enjoy. What you see in my vise is a piece of Delrin that I'm going to do something to. I need another camera mount, and I'm going to machine it. So we're going to set up to do that. What I've done, and this is, I'm not doing a bunch of fancy milling. I just soldered me out a blank, and I've got this is not like exact fit like a dovetail. Would have to fit in a cutter or nothing. All I'm doing is I take this piece of material. This is Delrin, and it's soft as crap anyway. I basically sawed it square and lined it up, set my X0, and we're going in the full amount of plastic you can mill it. And we're going in, it's basically a little over 300 thousandths deep. We're going to go right in here, we're going to pull some slide. Comes out the way it's supposed to. You'll see how this works. If we mess it up, we'll just mess it up, and we'll cut us another piece of Delrin. This is a piece of Delrin I have laying around. Go out all four sides. Let's see how it works. Alright, I tried it out and it works. Basically, I just grabbed the piece. And notice I didn't do no fancy machining. All we're going to do is we're going to drill this thing, figure the center up and drill it and put a hole in it, thread it 1/4 20, and we're going to call it good. So we'll just see what else we can get into here. Alright, I centered this up and I just done it quick. I just took a piece of 1/4 drill rod. Just basically lightly touch the sides. This isn't nothing but a piece of Delrin, and we're going to basically thread it, just center it up, thread it right quick 1/4 20, and we'll have us a camera mount for the what happened, in case you're wondering why I'm going through this trouble, is the other camera mount, the new tripod that I'm using right now, it did not come with a camera mount. I bought it at an auction without the camera. I don't know where it was a return or what the deal was, but so anyway, to make the long story short, I don't know what the deal really was with it, but I just know it didn't have one of these mounts. So I want to use both tripods. I want to set up where I can use my GoPro some in the shop or outside. And to do that, I need a mount, so we're working on it. Okay, there is my mount. I'm just using my GoPro here as a gauge, my GoPro handle that I made. So this will fit right on that other tripod, and it'll also fit in my homemade one there. And I will admit, I didn't get fancy. I didn't mill the sides. I just reached out and grabbed a piece of Delrin that's pretty darn close to what would work, throwed it in there and machined it. That's all we did. That's the That's the finished unit right there. That's the way it's going to work. Basically what I've done here is I got that handle threaded where I can add an extra handle on it for my GoPro case. Now I'm going to change my GoPro over, and I've got the pieces ordered to where I can use external mics on mine and use it a little bit more. Just sometimes it's kind of handy to have. I prefer actually the video camera inside, but a lot of times outside shots and stuff, it still is a nice piece to have. So that's what we got. That's today's video of the project that I did. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please remember, this is a copyrighted production of James Deadman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs for your enjoyment here on YouTube. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe. And while you're at it, if you have other friends that like to watch machine videos, or an old guy out playing in the shop, how about jumping in and tell them, hey, come over to the channel and give us a try. I really would appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for the ones who comment. They're always welcome. And again, we will see you in the next video. Have a great day. And like I say, thanks for watching again.